we're gonna power through for y'all so that I can create a recipe and share it with you. Okay? Okay. What's up, foodie family? Y'all true to this and you ain't new to this, so that's why you're a part of the family. If you are new here, hey, welcome. I'm Chef Jolie, and you know what we're about to do today? We are on our way to a new restaurant to try some new dishes, to sip on some cocktails, to see, you know, if I can find some inspiration to create my own version of those recipes and said cocktails that we will be trying. So come along, let's take this ride. Remember to comment, remember to share the videos, but what I really need y'all to do is go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so you never miss a time where I upload a new video or a new vlog. So let's get on the road. The plan is to go to Southern Gourmet Kitchen. I think it's in Plano, Texas. And let's see what it's giving. Come on, let's roll. How's the summer been? The summer is coming to an end. People keep talking about fall, but my birthday is September 22nd. That's the beginning of fall. So don't cheat me out of my summer, okay? All y'all talking about pumpkin this and wanting to put fall decor up on your house. I mean, that's your business. I don't want to take that from you, but don't take the summer from me, okay? All right, foodie family, we are 2 minutes away from Southern Gourmet Kitchen. All right, foodie family, we just got here, so we're about to walk in, and it's a lot of people walking in here. So hopefully I didn't need a reservation, because yeah. So I think that's a good sign though. So let's go eat. Foodie family, okay, so check this out. This is a first. So I pulled up, y'all saw it, I pulled up on Southern Gourmet Kitchen, but I'm gonna have to come up with a plan B because it's loud as hell in there. It's a DJ, and no wonder I saw so many people like pulling up and going in as I was filming the intro. It's a whole nightclub in the daytime atmosphere, which, hey, don't get me wrong, I love a nightclub in the daytime situation, but I would not be able to film and y'all wouldn't be able to hear me, and the whole video would get a copyright strike because of all the music. So yeah, so we're on to plan B, part 2. All right, foodie family, so hopefully this part B, is it plan B or part B? Y'all know what I mean. Hopefully this new restaurant that we're going to go to is not a bust. So it's called Tricky Fish. They have a couple of locations in the DFW Metroplex, and the location that I am at is in Frisco at the Star. So let's go see. All right, foodie family, so we made it inside Tricky Fish, and guess what? I forgot my doggone tripod in the car, which means either I gotta figure this out without it, or I gotta walk back to the car. So we didn't figure it out. So this is me walking back to the doggone car in the heat. I mean, I could have figured it out, but it would be much easier to just walk back to the car. So here we are. Okay, I'm back. And I got my brush too, because my hair was looking a little crazy. What y'all think about my new hairstyle? Y'all like it? Okay, so let's check out this menu. This is my second glass of water because it's hot. So let's check out the menu and see what type of cocktail we want to order. I was looking at these mules that sound pretty good. The filthy pineapple, or you can do the flight, right?
The flight is way better.
Okay, let's do the flight. Okay. Thank you.
Is that pretty enough to photograph?
It sure is. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Now it's time to taste them. You saw them. They was real cute, right? Let's see. I think this one is the filthy pineapple. See that? I think that's the filthy pineapple. And this one has to be the Hill Country. There we go. And this one definitely has to be the Jalapeno Mango. And it has what I think is, oh, I can't get it off. There we go. And it has a little bit of tahini on the rim. So let's taste. We've been drinking enough cocktails. It's time to eat. Y'all know how I am about calamari. Y'all, they got fried green tomatoes with blackened shrimp. Ooh. I'm gonna try that. And I feel like I always have to try calamari just because I just gotta see who got the best calamari everywhere I go. We're gonna try the calamari. And we're gonna try the fried green tomatoes with blackened shrimp. That's what we're gonna do. But I'm hungry too. The fried green tomatoes, it says it has blackened shrimp on it too.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to try that. And what do you think about your calamari?
Oh, it's really good.
It's really good. Okay, I'll try that too.
Is that all?
That's it for now. Yes, thank you. Did y'all see the manager come over and bring me my drink? I tried to catch it. And typically when I'm out vlogging and trying out these restaurants and stuff for y'all, I do this for y'all. Typically, it's more crowded and the managers never pay me any attention. But today, the manager even asked me if my cocktails were pretty enough to take a picture of. So hopefully that means they're gonna put some respect on my food and it's gonna be perfect. So we're gonna see. Like I told y'all, tricky fish, I never even heard of it. And I'm over here quite frequently in this area. I'm about 20 minutes away from my house or less. And they have at least 4 or 5 locations in the Metroplex. And I never heard of them. So we about to see. All right, y'all. I got, let's see, these fried green tomatoes with blackened shrimp. I will say I was thinking that the shrimp will be a little bit bigger, but hey, the flavor could be big and the shrimp could be little, and that's okay. Because sometimes it's not the size that matters. All right, so I tasted it. It being the fried green tomato with the blackened shrimp and remoulade. And on a scale of 1 to 5, I will give this about a 3.5. But it really has inspired me. Y'all gotta tune in to At Home with Chef Jolie on YouTube. See what I'm gonna do. And this is the calamari. Y'all know wherever I go, I gotta try calamari. And it got okra in it, like how I did my calamari. Have you seen that episode? I'm gonna link it in the description box. Comment below if you saw that episode. Alright, we're still here at Turkey Fish. And in order for me to make room for an entree, I had to have an amuse-bouche. So cheers. We're taking a little shot of reposado tequila. I know I'm not going to be able to drink this shot in one go. I knew it. Woo! Jesus. Alright. Let me let that marinate. And we're going to see what we're going to try next. I want to try the redfish with the crawfish, etouffee, and white rice.
Blackened or grilled?
Blackened, please. We have our food. Check it out. We have blackened redfish with crawfish and etouffee, and we have a little bit of okra. Let's try it out. Oh, and I had to get some hot sauce because how you gonna eat etouffee without hot sauce? I don't know. You know? I don't know. Nobody knows. Here's the thing. So we have 2 weddings next Saturday with my catering company, Low Country Cuisine. If you're new here, I am the executive chef and owner of Low Country Cuisine, Cuisine with a Q. We cater weddings, social events, corporate events, all the good stuff, right? And next Saturday, one of the weddings, they're having blackened redfish with fried grits and a spicy Creole cream sauce. So this kind of reminds me a little bit of what that menu is going to be like. And I'm getting excited because my version of blackened redfish with my spicy Creole cream sauce, yeah. I don't even know what to tell you, but it's pretty good. So y'all check out Turkey Fish. They have at least 4 or 5 locations. I gave the menu back. It had the locations on the menu, but at least 4 or 5 locations in DFW. I think it's worth a visit. Definitely worth a visit. So y'all comment down below. Tell me what you think about the food that you saw me eat here and the cocktails that you saw me eat. You know, let me know if you got a restaurant that you want me to go to next. I got maybe 1, possibly 2 more restaurants. I might do 1 restaurant and get 2 episodes out of it for my last 2 episodes of the season. But I'm always up for a suggestion. Anyway, my food is getting cold. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all turn on your notifications because duh, how you gonna know? How you gonna know when it's time to eat?